Morning students, we are here to give you some guidelines regarding to your subjects, and I'm here to teach you chemistry from the subject science. And before I start the chapter chemical reactions and equations, I want you all to know some of the basic chemicals and formulas, children, which are really helpful for you as well as it helps you to understand the lesson very easily. Now we shall learn about some of the chemicals and the formulas which are there in your lesson, chemical reactions and equation, children. I want every one of you to note down these formulas and chemical names, children, which are really helpful for understanding the lesson. The first chemical name is magnesium oxide. So the formula is MgO. Magnesium oxide, MgO. Lead nitrate, PbNO3 twice. So how do you read that, children? PbNO3 twice. And you have lead iodide, PbI2. Lead iodide is PbI2. Potassium iodide, Ki. Potassium nitrate, KNO3. Zinc chloride, ZnCl2. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Nitric acid, HNO3. Okay, children. Few more chemical names and formulas. Ferric oxide, Fe2O3. Zinc sulfate, ZnSO4. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. Calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Now we shall see some of the acid, bases and salts, children. So how do you identify that a given substance is acid, base or a salt? This type of questions will be coming in your exam. So how do you identify a given chemical is acid, base or a salt? So to know a given chemical is acid, first you have to see the chemical formula HCl or H2SO4, HNO3, CH3COOH. H3PO4, H2CO3. These are all acids, children. HCl is hydrochloric acid, H2SO4 is sulfuric acid, HNO3 is nitric acid, CH3COOH is acetic acid, H3PO4 is phosphoric acid, H2CO3 is carbonic acid. So what do you see commonly in all these acids, children? It is the H atom you can see. So acids are the substances which contains H plus ions along with the non-metal. You find your H, Cl, H, sulfur and oxygen, H, nitrogen and oxygen, H, carbon along with the H and phosphorus, H and carbon dioxide. So you can see here what is the common element here? H is present. So if a chemical has a H and a non-metal in it, we call it as acids. Okay, children. Now what about bases? Bases, you have sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, iron oxide. So what is common in this? OH group is present. If a chemical substance has a OH group along with the metal, we call it as base. So OH along with the metal, OH along with the metal, OH along with the metal. So when a chemical substance has a OH group along with the metal, we call it as a base. And what about salts, children? Salts are the substances which contains a metal and a non-metal. Sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal, calcium is a metal, CO3, carbon dioxide or trioxide is a non-metal, iron is a metal, sulfur is a non-metal, sulfur dioxide or sulfur oxide is a non-metal, zinc is a metal, sulfur oxide is a non-metal, iron is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal. Okay, children. So I hope you have understood these chemicals and even how to identify acid, bases and salts. Thank you.